I'm going to show y'all how to shuck, de-silk, and kernel corn the easy way. Come up a little ways from this stem end here and cut it off. And you want to make sure you get a few kernels with it to make sure you got it up far enough. It's a little hard. Just put your hand on the back end of that knife and push it down. Use a hammer if you need to. There you go. Now hold it by the silk end. Make sure you got a good firm grip on all that silk. Take these husks off from the bottom. Now you can keep these for grilled corn or making old style cornbread, or for making corn dolls. You know, whatever you want to do, you can keep these, but I don't need them. Okay, now you've got this silk here, just loosen it up. Turn your corn and pull. And there you go. You might have a little bit of silk left on this corn. That's okay. Use a toothbrush or a vegetable brush and get it off, or you can just pick it off with your hands. It's not a big deal. There, it's pretty well clean. Now take your mandolin and position it over a bowl, and I like to use a bowl with a handle on it, and I slip my fingers inside of this handle to hold this mandolin in place, and leave the template off of it. Just use the blade. Now once you get it started, keep the palm of your hand up against the end of this cob so you don't cut your fingers. There you go. See that? I like this method because you don't get kernels everywhere. Now that you got it started and you can get a good grip on it, it'll be easier. There you go. I like this method because there's less waste and the kernels don't fly everywhere.